Nigeria plays a crucial role in our global economy. Dahil sila ang nag-export ng mostly oil sa atin. About 90% ng oil yung ine-export nila alongside sa mga other products nila like cocoa, rubber, and sesame seeds. About Nigeria's trade naman is naglilin sila more on protectionist because they are aiming to shield domestic industries such as agriculture from foreign competition through high tariffs and import restrictions. And Nigeria engages in free trade agreements to stimulate regional economic integration and diversify its trading relationships. Ini-import ng Nigeria is more on refined petroleum, machinery, vehicles, and food products, including rice and wheat. Tapos, yung pinaka-partners nila is yung China, India, and United States.